Enjoy.
Okay. Here's my lunch money.
Enjoy.
I don't like shrimp and noodles.
You're gonna like it.
But I don't want to eat them.
Eat it! Dirty, stupid kids.
I don't want them, and you know your money's coming out of your bra.
Shut up. Eat the stupid noodles.
But I want to.
Eat them.
No,
Eat them.
I don't want to.
Eat them.
No, are you gonna make me?
Okay.
Dirty kids, don't